How AI-powered tools are changing business communication in 2025. What if I told you that AI isn't just the future of business communication? It's already transforming how companies interact, pitch ideas, and close deals. In 2025, AI tools are not just assistants, they are business game changers. Want to know how? Stay tuned. Businesses waste hours on emails, meetings, and presentations, only to struggle with engagement and clarity. AI is stepping in to streamline communication, making it faster, smarter, and more effective. AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Notion AI are revolutionizing content creation, making emails, reports, and presentations more engaging and error-free. With AI tools like Otter.ai and Fireflies, you can automatically transcribe meetings and get smart summaries, no more wasted time on note-taking. Companies now use AI chatbots to handle customer inquiries 24/7, providing instant responses and improving customer experience. Predictive AI analyzes trends and customer data to personalize communication and boost engagement. Think of it as having a data-driven strategist on your team. AI won't replace human communication, but it will enhance it. The businesses that embrace AI will stay ahead. Those that resist may struggle to keep up. So, how are you using AI in your business communication? Comment below and let's discuss. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Bridge Verve, and hit the notification bell for more insights on innovation communication.